Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Tesha's TV. So today, oh my God, from the look, gonna see how well heap of sunshine. Hey man, tell them about them cocky, man. They have to make it known, say a country man come from right through. They not hide that, so it don't make no sense me try to edit and what I say. Hello, sir. I'm on the phone. So yeah, guys, I do the whole chores again, so we get a whole heap of sunshine today. So me I wash and the whole day and my day off and things. So guys, yesterday I had what do I call it now? Carpenter? Yeah. A carpenter come and start to my outside kitchen. So let me just show you. Go ahead and show you guys. Because when everybody always says, Tesha, you don't look at outside kitchen or something. So I'm go clean up and fix up this area. Hear them. So basically, me start already. Alright. So here is the sink and everything. I forgot get like pipes and do the pipe fitting and all of that. And then over here now would be like the countertop and something. So yeah, I take me a gun with myself a little clean up the whole thing. Because sometimes I want to come out the door not to just do a vlog cooking, but actually do the whole outdoor cooking. So I'm setting up an outside kitchen for this purpose. Get me sing from my neighbor, so yeah. Hey. So guys, I go now and go river go bathe. Cause nothing nice like bathing a river. The nice river water there. Well cool. So I'm gonna get to that. Actually with here we need to limb down them Limir because I want to use a tent. So the tent now tend to like fall over. But I think we should have like put up the tent before and then make the frame of everything underneath it. But then gone already. So I think me don't know. Take me have trouble. But let's see how best it goes. Or how best it works out. So I'm going to bring you up on the road with me today because I go up on the road. So catch you back guys in a few. I got a roof I go bed and come back. So I need to take off them here. Take off the whole nails and thing. Might just do them shorter. People always be like, hey, nails them too long. Okay. So I've been doing them shorter and shorter. Not to say me please anyone, but because I am on a mission here. So I'm going to change this and then I think I need to wash my hair today now. But I don't know if I have enough time because I need to actually go up on the road and come back and get settled. So catch you back guys in a few. Good sun. Jesus! Sun. Next time them aki already Here so now guys I have to go trim off that little piece of limb here because pushing up the tent, it's a go upon the tent top. I want to damage the tent. Yeah. I think I can actually cut out one window here, so I think I can cut out a window. Say in a kitchen everybody love them little window even though it's very breezy outside. And I need to set up like I actually want to wrap this. Like wrap it or paint it. So kind of look, nice and everything. But me I'm going so far, alright? Hey guys, so basically now, bathe off. Well, we never got a river. But they set up like an outside pipe. Actually I come from the river, so you get a nice cool water that just the same. Just like any river water, so we get the proper bathing there. So yeah, heading out now, going to the nail tech and then afterwards I am going to head to Kingston. Have some runs to do on the road, so get you back guys. Yeah. So me tell you, say his son, when they out your son, normal. Right now you can even wash and carry clothes and go spread out outside. Sun turn up. And I get a nice piece of sun for just wash. I wash. So that man. So if you them, you know, it's like, I think they talk about something like about drought. Please. We're not ready for that yet. And I think them say like we're gonna get some real heat. So guys, please stay hydrated and stuff, cause you know say them thing here are silent killer. Always just travel with a bottle of water and always ensure you're keeping hydrated and so forth. So need a nice man. So at least you know, people on the wall sometimes really don't like water, but if you can at least get one of them little small bottle and just keep it there throughout the day, that would be very, very good. I should try kitchen. Let's see. What should I show you? Nice. All I want right now, I basically just go lay down in a nice river. Yeah, with a little shady over here, and you're good. Oh, that's really nice. Ready? The only problem is me just sorry say me actually can't swim. And me can't believe like me born and grow in Jamaica near water. And I don't know. But me don't say that me want to do, but me love water, but I can't swim, so I really like if me go somewhere new, me not be like me I go try chuck off in the water or none of them things they do, cause I know there's something there. But you know oftentimes people, oh me can't swim, and then just chuck off in any water they see. Me none of them things that's so. On a hot day like this, what people that normally have for dinner. Maybe just some, like more like a cooling snow. All I want is 2 lime, some sugar, and some water. Good to go. Nice lemonade and ice. Oh my god. But if everybody around from the sugar, you just get some lemonade without sugar. Well nice, well chilly. Good to go just to see. Oh, nice. I'm supposed to go and take a passport size photo, but I'm in black. I wonder if there is an issue with the color though. Black. I think there is an issue for set. I'm not sure. So eventually maybe I have to try get a blouse. Because I'm really the far now I can't turn back. I have to see if black is an issue. Alright guys, I'm about to step out now, so catch you back guys in a few. Okay guys, so as I said before, come back here as you know, here always, and get my nails filled and everything, so voila, pretty and well nice. One thing here I got under this. Why not treat yourself? Yeah, so guys, please remember to check out K. I never put up a number last time, don't care. Okay guys, I'm gonna pin her number on the top, so you know, so I call and get a proper nails and everything done. Well nice, well neat. Talk about neatness and quickness. That's it. Alright, so after this now then I'm going to do the passport size photo. Basically as I said, see, I can do it in this black blouse, so actually maybe I will get a top. And then continue my journey. Okay guys, so basically a truck go over the gully and you know say, let me kind of see if I can go closer. We basically go over here, oh my god, but thank god he's alive. He's alive. But over here some would have said basically at the deepest part at the junction. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I don't know if I did lock. I don't hear anything as it. So the firefighters, they are down in the gully. So we have to wait until them come up and thing before them actually can free up the road a little. But for now, no vehicle can't go nor come. So the JCF and the firefighters, yeah, they are outside. And I think they have to maybe go use a crane or something like that to take up the truck. But guys, just please be careful whenever driving. I know say you can just take a little simple mistake and stuff will happen. But for now, we stop through the junction. Yeah guys, so basically then they free up the road and thing, so you know reach a half a tree, and I forget back on taxi to go home and all of that. So you know say no, I don't want to wait. So you know I have to go get back a taxi, so I have to go cross the road and all of that. So everybody must have a tree by now. And as a country girl, me actually have to use stuff like that. You can't just go switch across the road and people go it me down. Actually wait for the light to change and then go over and get the taxi to the road. So we're waiting on the line. Alright, it's my time now. Even though the road free, but me, I would have never ever dare do that. Alright. Yeah guys, so you know I have to come back. Even though I don't come and work, I still have to go meet my brother. Because yes, so we still have to right through.
Outer road, man. That is it.
That is it.
Yeah.
So I basically have to go get taxi now because I'm not waiting for my regular drive. You get me? Because I can't bother with that. I'm going to leave late. So, what time of traffic? Did you see traffic also? Go my gully?
Yeah, you know, so I don't see truck, but the pass a man and see one wall. Look down and I say, oh, that wall looks so like a fresh look down.
Yeah, so when I come to town, a pure traffic, they're on some reaching time.
I see no traffic to me, but when I come, you see the wall look down. And the man, and I say, yo, that wall look like something fresh look down the wall. Still. So same time the driver when we are driving, I say, I wonder if the trailer will pass.
Oh.
You see him, so look out the wall. Same time when I go, see the light and flashing the wall. See him, I want fire brigade.
Boy, mountain them be down there. Mountain them, so basically it's like
I'm a police.
I the amount of vehicle, I'm telling you, vehicle there junction, but the driver decided to say, nah, turn back. So people may beg you no, please drive safe on the road. If you don't want to sleep, stop and sleep.
That thing look like a sleep.
Yeah, stop and sleep man or something. Why night town? Very, very busy. If you know town, you know say, well, it out of town. Busy. So guys, stay tuned and continue to watching Tesha TV. Catch you back guys on my next content.
That is it. I'm out.
I'm out.
See you soon.